Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. It happens in Anambra State yesterday again that 4 persons fell killed in Anambra as gunmen invade Ifite Oka, kidnap a hotel manager. Day before yesterday, it was the same 4 persons that was killed in Ebonyi State, and yesterday is in Anambra State. So where is the next one? Anyway, Shara reporters reported 4 persons fell killed in Anambra as gunmen invade Ifite Oka, kidnap hotel manager. The article was written on 10 December 2024. And it says that at least 4 people were reportedly killed when unidentified hoodlums unleashed terror in Ifite Oka South local government area of Anambra State on Wednesday night. The attackers fired gunshots into the air, causing widespread panic and forcing residents to flee and traders to close their shops. Eyewitness said that the hoodlums targeted several locations, including Book Foundation Junction, Ukwaki bus stop, B bus stop, Commissioner's Quarter, and the Bamboo area. A grocery trader who spoke anonymously to Punch recounted, and this is what he said. It was a panic situation around 7 p.m. yesterday, Wednesday, when the hoodlums suddenly arrived and started shooting into the air. They shot and killed 3 people at Book Foundation Junction and 1 person at Ukwaki bus stop. They also invaded a popular hotel at Commissioner's Quarters, kidnapped the manager, and his whereabouts are still unknown. We heard they were demanding 12 million ransom for his release, though the hotel workers said the initial demand was 20 million before it was reduced. I was at my bus stop when we heard gunshots. Everyone panicked and ran for safety. Traders locked their shops hurriedly, and as of today, many shops remain closed. Another resident, Chibuike, confirmed the attack, saying about 3 people were killed at Ifite yesterday night, one at B bus stop and other at Book Foundation Junction. They also struck at a hotel in Commissioner's Quarter, kidnapped 3 people, and left with their cars. This morning, 1 person was shot dead around the Ukwaki area. You understand the kind of insecurity challenges going on. Now, continue. Say this December is becoming very bloody. May God have mercy. Everyone should be cautious about their movement. Some hotel officials confirmed the incident but declined further statement, citing lack of authorization. The Anambra State Police Public Relations Officer Tochukwu Ikenga said, "Thank you for this information, but if you know the relatives of these victims, let them come forward, please." The end of the article. Now, to identify the gunmen who carried out this murderous attack will be difficult. And the reason why it will be difficult is also the same reason I have been clamoring right from time, that the government should do us a favor. I mean, the government in the Southeast, those who are not sponsoring terrorism, they should do us a favor, help us to identify the people if they are not among people, if they are not the ones sponsoring them. Try to identify people who are terrorizing your area. The reason why I'm saying this is that right from time, people have always alleged that, oh, it is Biafra agitators, it is Nnamdi Kanu people, it is ESN. I will continue to say this time with that number. The wrong accusation of people who are not even doing anything, who are sometimes they are claiming responsibility of what they do not do. And this is very important, that if you are agitating for Biafra, you are agitating for all those things, don't claim responsibility of what you did not do. There are people who are in the Southeast terrorizing. These people are not Biafra agitators. Now, as the insecurity continues, now who are they going to call again? Who are they going to drag again? Now, the truth is this. Many Biafra agitators are claiming responsibility of what they do not do, what they don't even know about. Some of them are claiming the responsibility. I've fact-checked this. I did a research about this. I discovered that most of the things people who are agitating are claiming responsibility of, they are not the one doing it. They are not the one. Now, the ugly incident is that they have allowed so many people to label them that they do this, they do that, they do this. But in the real picture, we know people who are doing this. We know the people who are doing this. They are not Biafra agitators. So it is very unfortunate for you to claim responsibility of what you don't know about, because it will go a very long way in damaging reputation of peaceful agitators and so on and so forth. So what I'm trying to say is that it is time for the real people who are sponsoring all these terrorists to be called out. They should be called out. And they are not one group. Because I was speaking to one of the youth leaders yesterday, who he has done me a lot of favor because a lot of reports, with proofs that he has given to me ever since we went to the southeast to do some investigation. I'm well pleased with those reports. Now, the information they are giving to us is that majority of people who are terrorizing from the bush, kidnapping people, going to the bush, that majority of them are all these Fulani herdsmen and so on and so forth. But that the Fulani herdsmen have colluded with some people who are indigenous. There is nothing like Biafra agitators. They are not part of all those things. Now, what he did not tell me, because I was trying to ask that they said they form a Bubago, they said they have some security outfit. Is the security outfit colluding with the Fulani bandits or terrorists? He said he don't really know about that one. But these insecurity challenges going on in the town and so on and so forth, like what happened in Enugu, it was reported, and the people they caught, one of them is retired soldier. He was dismissed, but he still camouflaging wearing soldier uniform, using him to pass all those Fulani in the road, even though there are checkpoints. He will pass them, they'll still go and terrorize, even though there are checkpoints everywhere. So these are the things, the informations in our disposal. Anyone who is agitating for Biafra, you agitate, I don't know, stop claiming responsibility for what you don't know about. Because it is coming to hurt you. It is coming to hurt your people. It is coming to hurt everyone, everybody that is in your queue. It is going to hurt them. Stop claiming responsibilities of what you don't know about. A lot of things, I fast check it. Sometimes I see, but that is apart. We have to, because the insecurity challenges is one of the primary responsibility of everyone. Not even the government too. Not even the government has totally failed. The government has failed. Now, even Soludo, any small thing, Soludo will call Biafra. These people, I don't know whether they are doing research to why this security is coming, is persisting, is doing all those things. They are not doing any research about it because they are presence of agitators. So anything that happens could be tagged Biafra agitators. That is a more painful thing. And why you are hunting the people who are not doing that, the people who are really responsible for all this attack will be happy doing what they are doing. It is what it is. So we should be very, very careful this period because people are looking for money. People are looking for many things. This is the period for them to destabilize so many things. And don't forget that there is an alleged prediction by someone that there is going to be a genocide on the 31st of December this month in the southeast. We are tracking that. We are doing some research. I don't know how the lady got to know about the information she released, but any security information or threat is something that should not be taken for granted. You know why? Because last year, before the attack Jos, Plateau State, where they killed almost 200 people, the attack went on more than one day. No security agencies that came to repair the attack. They put 33 distress calls on the security agencies. None of them came for their rescue. Now, before the incident happened, they wrote later there was an information that they are coming to attack. Yeah, there was an information, but nobody paid attention to such information. Everyone was just thinking that, no, it's nothing as usual. So let us not just think that this is not real. You understand? Let's not think that this is not real, okay? All right, it is what it is. Let us continue to fish out people, the real people who are terrorizing our area, because if not, the major victims will be our youth, will be our mothers, will be people who can't protect themselves. I can protect myself, right? But you can't protect yourself. So it's not everybody that have the opportunity to protect him or herself. So this is the situation happening right now in Anambra State. Let me know what you think.